Hello everyone, I am Ms. Mythili, Assistant Professor, Department of Nutrition and Dietetics, KSR College of Arts and Science, Faroman, Tirchangut. In this video, we see about the science in milk, meat, fat, spices and condiments and beverages. So now let's start this session with milk. So milk is a nutrient-rich fluid produced by mammals. It is a vital source of energy and essential nutrients like fat, protein, carbohydrate, minerals, and vitamins. Especially calcium or richest source present in the milk, which helps in our body for the bone health, muscle growth, and energy productions. Nowadays, the different types of milk is produced in market, like whole milk, reduced fat milk, fat-free milk. Toned milk, pasteurized milk, standard milk, double toned milk, etc. So these are the types of milk depending upon the fat content present in the milk. Now let's see what is meat. So meat is primarily composed of muscle tissue. It is a richest source of protein, fat, water and other nutrients. The structure of meat is defined by muscle fiber, connective fiber and the fat. So that muscle fiber is the outer layer of the skin of the meat, and the second layer is the muscle fascicle, and the third layer is skeletal muscle, which contributes to its texture and flavor in the meat. So the composition of meat varies depending upon the animal and the specific cut, but generally includes 70% water, 20% protein and 5 to 40% fat are present in the meat. Poultry is nothing but it's a commonly called chicken. uh, it undergoes various changes during cooking, like physical changes, chemical changes, sensory changes. So these are the affected during the process of cooking. What are the affecting factors means the changing the quality, texture and flavor of the poultry. So these changes include change of the color, moisture content and protein structure, as well as the development of new flavor compounds. So these are the changes undertaken when the poultry cooked takes a long time or improper atmospheric condition. Nextly, we see about fish. During the cooking of fish, some physical and chemical reactions takes place, such as denaturation, as protein denaturations. Protein converted into the another nature, so it get easily digestible and increase the nutritional value in our diet. So meanwhile, the contents are thermolayable compounds, nothing but it's a heat unstable. Fat soluble vitamins or polyunsaturated fatty acids are often reduced. Nextly, eggs. So when eggs are cooked, the proteins within the egg white and yolk undergo a process called denaturations. Then the nature of egg is converted into the another nature. So where the structure unfolds and they can coagulate, which gets the liquid egg or gets solidified. This changes in structure causes the egg to become firmer and changes its appearance. When during prolonged cooking of egg gets more firmer and hard. So next we see about fats and oils. Fats and oils are broadly classified into four main types: saturated fat, monounsaturated fat, polyunsaturated fat and trans fat. The example of saturated fats like coconut oil, ghee, butter. Monounsaturated fats are groundnut oil, rice bran oil, sesame oil, olive oil. The polyunsaturated fats are groundnut, rice bran, sesame, sunflower, soybean, red palm, mustard, fish oil, etc. And the trans fats are margarine and vanaspati. So in this, the four types of fat, the saturated and trans fats are generally considered unhealthy. It cause the cardiovascular health problems. Monounsaturated and polysaturated fats, on the other hand, are considered healthy and can be beneficial for heart health. Avoid the saturated and trans fats are included in your diet. Classification of spices and condiments. The spices are plant derived substances, often dried, that add flavor and aroma to food during the process of cooking. On the same hand, condiments are substances, often prepared mixes added to food after cooking to enhance or complement its flavor. So the spices are added during the process of cooking, and the condiments are added after the process of cooking. Both are enhance the flavor and aroma of the nature of food. So spices and condiments are commonly classified based on the plant part. uh, like rhizosomes and roots, or the spices and condiments example ginger and turmeric. The seed spices are coriander and cumin, bark spices cinnamon, fruit spices cardamom, black pepper. Leaf spices are bay leaf, curry leaf, and the flower spices clove, saffron. So these are the most common spices and condiments we regularly use in our processing of food for enhancing the aroma and flavor, taste in nature. At last, the beverages are broadly defined any kind of drink called as beverage. They categorized into two groups, non-alcoholic and alcoholic groups. The further classification takes place under both non-alcoholic and alcoholic groups. In non-alcoholic, it's classified into two: carbonated, non-carbonated. The carbonated beverages are soda, Coca-Cola, tonic, water. On the other hand, the non-carbonated like fruit juice, tea, coffee, etc. And the alcoholic beverages, it's further classified into two groups: fruit or sap and grain. The fruit saps are classified as non-distilled, distilled. Wine are example for non-distilled beverage, and the brandy is the example for distilled beverage. Under the classification of grain is also comes the categories under non-distilled and distilled. So beer is considered as a non-distilled beverage in grain. Whiskey as a distilled beverages. So these are the various food groups involved in the food science. Thank you for watching.